In this scale tutorial, I'd like to talk about the G minor scale. And with G minor scale, we're going to do 2 octaves, similar motion, hands together, legato, either forte or piano. The one thing you need to know about the G minor scale is that it has a B flat and an E flat. And since we are going to do the harmonic scale in this version, we are also going to add the F sharp, because we always raise the 7th degree in any harmonic minor scale. If you'd like to know more about harmonic minor scales, please check out my grade 2 theory video in the link on screen. As I said, we are going to play B flat and E flat, but also adding F sharp. So we're going to have 3 accidentals to think about when we play this piece. And to make things easier, when we start, we're going to start with our right hand on G below middle C. And we are going to remember that when we play, we are going to have 1, 2, third finger on B flat, followed by a thumb that goes to C. Our third finger is going to be on E flat again, followed by a fourth finger that jumps to F sharp. And then, because we're doing it 2 octaves, we're going to place our thumb first, not our fifth. Having a third finger on B flat again, the thumb on C, third finger on E flat, followed by a jump for the fourth onto F sharp, onto G. Coming down the same way. Reaching over for third on B flat, for fourth on F sharp, jumping over to third on E flat, third again reaching for B flat, ending on the same note we started with. For the left hand, we are not going to start on the same G, it's physically impossible. We need to move down 1 octave to the G below, starting on our 5th finger on that G there. And we're going to have the same things to remember, more or less. Third finger on B flat, third finger on E flat, reaching over with my second finger to F sharp. Now thumb, fourth finger goes over, so that I have my third finger back on B flat, and my third finger back on E flat again here after the thumb, reaching over with my second to F sharp, ending on my thumb, coming down, inverting, second finger, third finger. Thumb must go underneath the third finger. Third finger on B flat, 4. Now, not the pinky, but the thumb, because we're going to go to the second octave. Second again on F sharp, E flat, thumb underneath, third on B flat. It is very important to use the finger numbers that I'm showing on the screen, because this will help you to get the scale smooth, legato, and always play it as it should sound. Again, hands together. Third fingers on B flat. Thumb first moves on the right hand. Third fingers on E flat. Second and fourth finger. Thumbs again, starting with the second octave. Fourth finger goes over the thumb in the left, because we need our third fingers on B flat again. Thumb moves on the right hand, third fingers on E flat, second and fourth on F sharp, and we're going to come back, third fingers on E flat, thumb moves, third fingers on B flat, thumbs on G, 4, third fingers on E flat, third fingers on B, ending on 1 and 5 again.